Okay, Vivian, Vincent, let's start our 2025 and 24 boating season. It's late because the boat broke. So they just fixed it just half an hour ago, okay? Now let's go in. Yeah, let's go in the boat. Take your seat, okay? Okay, now I have to open the garage door, I mean the boathouse door. Going up. Okay, so this is our little gangway.
Dad, the spiders need so much.
What?
This.
What's that?
This bar. The bowl.
The boat is that time?
The pole. It's like stuck with.
No. I'll put it away right now. Okay? There you put it away. Let me lower the boat for now, okay? Going down to the water. I think it's up. It's still going down. It hasn't bottomed out yet. It's about now. See, I can rock the boat back and forth like that, so it is on water, sitting freely. It's not attached to the cradle anymore. Okay, V,
Yeah.
take over the camera.
Okay. Am I supposed to hold this in the handle?
No, it's recording.
I know.
It is recording right now.
I know it's recording.
Okay.
So I need to hold on the handle as well. I'm scared. I haven't been on this in a year.
Let me push the boat out, okay?
Okay, wait.
You can
Hold on.
record that pushing the boat out, okay?
Okay.
Dad, you're ridiculous. You have to record everything and show it in public.
Yeah. It's not a tablet, it's actually here.
Yeah, but everybody sees it.
Hold on,
Okay. Push.
whoops.
I think we can start it now.
What's that?
I think we can start it now.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me put this pulled out.
I'm scared. Okay, my goggles are secured. I'm scared.
Vivian, you can do technical daddy and be Vincent, okay?
Okay.
Make it faster.
Oh my gosh, no, I'm gonna die. So much fog on my goggles, I can barely see anything. I can hear myself again. It felt like I was wearing earplugs. So much pressure. Okay,
No one's.
we're slowing down. Can I take off my goggles?
Yeah, you can take off your goggle now. Okay, Vi.
Oh my
Let's record this thing as you go in, okay? Aim it on the house, okay, Kang? Here, Vi. Hold
So
on.
pretty. Wait, oh my. I feel so new. I just took off my goggles. Oh my god. Now I can actually see the screen again. This is so cool.
I just realized how beautiful it
There's marks on my face. I can't show right now because we're going in, and I want to show you guys how we go back in, even though those are in a video. Here's marks. Please don't go too fast. I don't have my goggles on, and I'm not putting them back on. Do not go fast. Please don't go fast. I can actually hear myself again. This feels so cool.
Why are you saying the camera? Look at this. Gimme.
No, I'm not giving to you. I don't trust you. You're gonna eat it off the boat. Your house. That's very cool. My eyes feel so refreshing. So are we gonna drive into the lily pads? We just drove over the lily pads. I really hope the lily pads are okay. Oh, I don't see them anymore. Okay.
Keep recording, John.
Okay, I am. Okay. And we're back in the boathouse. Let's.
Okay, we are back in the boat now. Keep recording. Let me raise the boat up.
Yeah, I
okay?
am. Oh my gosh. Okay. Or somehow cover my ears. The sound is horrible. It's
Yes.
hi- squeaky.
Let's adjust the boat straight up a little bit. So we'll bring the boat close to that thing.
I'm surprised there's no squeaky sounds yet.
Do you realize that there's a spider in this boat? I just saw it.
Well,
Oh, they killed all the spiders.
they're all dead.
I ate them all. They taste like yummy.
No, Dad, I saw a dead one on my seat before we went on the boat riding.
I think there's one crawling up there.
Yeah, I see it.
Possibly.
He is your friendly neighborhood spider. Okay, turn off the recording.
Okay. So this was our first 2024 boat ride.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Turn it off.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.